Hi, and welcome again to the University of Vermont. We are so excited that you chose UVM to be your university home. During your time here, there will be a variety of tools and applications that will be helpful to you as a UVM student. One of these tools is something called Blackboard. Blackboard is an online learning management system that allows you to access and manage materials for UVM courses, submit assignments, participate in group discussions and activities, take quizzes and tests, view your grades, and so much more. Let's check it out. To start, navigate to the UVM Blackboard site using the link or website address bb.uvm.edu. You can access the site through the corner of your My UVM portal and find the Blackboard icon on the top right corner of the page. As a heads up, you'll need to log in using your NetID and password, so make sure you have that information ready. In some cases, you will be prompted to enter your NetID a second time on a Blackboard screen. You can see an example of a Blackboard homepage. Because I'm a returning student, you can see some of the Blackboard spaces from classes I had last year. You won't see a listing for a class you're enrolled in until your professor makes that space available. They usually do that in the first week of classes or a little earlier. As we mentioned before, the UVM Blackboard site is your main hub for your classes and coursework. We're going to spend some time to show you some common features within Blackboard. First, we click on the course link to go into the course. Use the UVM Blackboard site to find your syllabus for each of your classes before school starts. You will then be able to figure out which books or other materials you will need for the class and be better prepared for the first day of classes. You can find it in the syllabus section on the left-hand menu. Classes will also have a course materials section. In here, you can find weekly readings and other class materials. Other items you might see on a course menu would be things like quizzes and assignments. Most of you will have at least a couple of mixed classes for the fall. Many faculty will use groups to let you know what days you should come to class. In this example course, there are green and gold groups, and I am in the green group, and I can see that when I look at the bottom of the course menu here. You might also be asked to participate in class or group discussions. You can do so by using the discussion board feature. Many of your professors or instructors will tell you to submit or upload your assignments to Blackboard when they are due. As a general note, each UVM professor or instructor will utilize Blackboard in different ways. Make sure you know how your professor or instructor will use Blackboard and what their expectations of you are about using the site. There is also a Blackboard app that you can download to your smartphone for easy access to your classes and course materials. Those are just a few helpful tips that we have for you as a new UVM student. Remember, the UVM Blackboard site is your easy-to-access tool for managing and accessing your classes, course materials, and assignments. Be sure to familiarize yourself with it prior to the first day of classes. And that's it. We hope this helps you to better understand and use Blackboard during your time as a UVM student. Welcome again to the UVM community, and we hope to see you around.